friend in this game, but
hey, buddy.
in case you didn't know, we're playing Playtogether. And Derek got coughed on my arm while starting the recording.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I got a free gift, dudes. What is it?
Man.
VIP Coney balloon. All right.
Follow me. Come on, man. We need to go ride this train.
Thanks, Kara. I gotta go.
Follow me, man.
Okay, I'm
We
following
need to climb
you.
up the slide.
Climb up the slide?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It says down, dude. Oh, we're breaking the rules, pal.
Man, we need to go.
Where are we going?
Finger.
Oh, here's the train.
Ah!
Come back.
Wait.
Hey, come back. I'm chasing it.
I'm chasing.
Come back. Hey, come
What the
back.
heck, bro?
Train.
What the heck?
Come back.
Oh, man, you better off just
Come
running.
back. Oh, I fell off. Oh,
I got in.
Oh, I'm swimming. I
Climb
fell in the
back
pool. I fell in the
Climb
pool,
back
man.
up.
I fell in the pool.
Don't even know
Oh.
half the world.
Folks, I do not advise you chase trains, by the way. Oh, God.
Well, that's...